Enjoying third wave specialty coffee is made possible using the 4 keys formula, which every Breville espresso machine delivers. Key number 1, achieve a full-bodied coffee with rich and complex flavors using the ideal dose of 18 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans. Key number 2, sweet, delicious, and nuanced flavor notes begin with precise digital control over water temperature at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfectly balanced taste. And key number 3 starts with low-pressure pre-infusion, followed by a high-pressure 9-bar extraction process delivered via our 15-bar Italian pump. The 4th and final key is about getting that silky, velvety microfoam, only possible with high-pressure steam. See our Latte Art for Beginners video to find out more. Achieving the perfect espresso extraction is based on a number of factors you need to monitor and adjust regularly. Here's a barista to explain how it's done.
Okay, so you have your specialty coffee beans and you're ready to hit that brew button. Let's take a closer look at some extraction results you might come across and what adjustments you need to make to consistently create that balanced espresso shot. Baristas call finding the optimal extraction dialing in. This is because it usually revolves around just adjusting the grind dial to get the right grind size. Ambient temperature, humidity, and age of the coffee all play a part in the optimal setting, and it can be tricky. Pay attention to the shot clock as each extraction starts. If your espresso is flowing too fast, it's under-extracted, and you'll need to decrease your grind size, making it finer for the next coffee you make. However, if it's flowing too slowly, it's over-extracted. So increase your grind size, making it coarser for your next coffee. Keep an eye on this each time you make a coffee for that perfectly balanced shot. Just like this.
Brilliant, Leo. Breville espresso machines take care of everything, so all you need to be aware of is dialing in the grind.